In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and verify a Stripe account and connect it to WooCommerce so you can start accepting payments on your website. Before we begin, make sure a few essentials are already in place. Your WordPress website should be live and working properly, WooCommerce should already be installed and activated, and your SSL certificate must be active so your store uses a secure HTTPS connection. That security step is especially important because payment gateways like Stripe require a secure website in order to process transactions safely. Once that's ready, go to your WordPress dashboard and install the WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway plugin. After installing it, activate the plugin so it becomes available inside your WooCommerce payment settings. This plugin is what allows your store to communicate directly with Stripe and offer modern payment options to your customers. Next, open WooCommerce, then go to Settings, and from there, select Payments. In the list of available payment methods, find Stripe and enable it. Once Stripe is switched on, select the option to create or connect a Stripe account. If you don't already have a Stripe account, you can create one during this process. If you already have one, simply connect it to your store. As you move through the setup, approve the connection between Stripe and WooCommerce. This authorization allows WooCommerce to send payment data securely to Stripe and receive payment updates back in your store. After the connection is complete, review the available payment methods and enable the ones you want to offer, such as card payments, Link, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or other supported options. It's a good idea to only turn on the methods that match your business needs and customer preferences. Before accepting live payments, turn on Test Mode. This lets you simulate orders without charging real money, which is one of the safest ways to confirm everything is working correctly. After enabling Test Mode, go through your storefront and complete a checkout using a Stripe test card. Pay attention to the full customer experience, including the cart, checkout page, payment confirmation, and order status. Once the test order is submitted, confirm that the transaction appears correctly in both WooCommerce and Stripe. This final check helps you verify that your store and payment gateway are fully communicating as expected. When everything looks good and you're ready to accept real customer payments, return to your Stripe settings and turn off test mode. At that point, your WooCommerce store will be ready to process live transactions securely.